Spending habit, Chinese versus Pinoy. Hello everyone, Roan Celis here of 1 Million Club. In this video, let us discuss the spending habit of Chinese compared to Filipinos. Madalas ang Pinoy, salary ang source of income. Halimbawa, ang sweldo ni one Pinoy, 21,000 per month net of tax or 700 pesos per day. So meron siyang 10,500 every 15 and 10,500 every 30th. Pag sweldo, ang unang-unang nasa isip ng Pinoy ay, ano kaya ang bibilin ko? Madalas, nagpupunta tayo sa mall pag payday. Ang resulta, napapabili ka ng mga bagay na di mo naman kailangan. Sabihin na natin worth 1,400 ang nabili mo sa mall. Naiisip mo, 1,400 lang naman. May natira pa naman. Ang di mo naiisip, yung 1,400 na yun, equivalent yun sa 2 days mong pagtatrabaho. Mahirap ba magtrabaho? Yes, nakakapagod magtrabaho. Kaya lang, di ka nagplano kaya napunta lang sa luho ang pinaghirapan mo. Ang nasa isip kasi natin, di bale may sweldo uli ako sa katapusan. Paano pag natanggal ka sa trabaho? Ang mindset ng karamihan ng Pinoy, short term. We rarely invest for our future. Ang importante sa atin, social status natin sa Facebook. Akala natin pag nakasabay na tayo kung ano ang uso, okay na tayo. We fail to plan, kaya ang ending, we are trapped in a rat race cycle. Paano naman mag-isip ang mga Chinese? Bakit nga ba very successful sila when it comes to handling their finances? Unang-una, karamihan sa Chinese dito sa Pilipinas ay business-minded. May mga professional din like doctors, may mga employee din, pero they make sure na meron silang investment in paper assets or part-time business. Paano kung ang source of income niya is purely from business? Assuming kagaya ng Pinoy, on the average per month, ang profit niya is 21,000 or 700 pesos per day. Kung 5 pesos ang tubo niya sa item na binibenta niya, iniisip niya, that's 140 items sold. He gives value to his effort. Ang una niyang iniisip, paano ko papalaguin yung kinita ko? Ang mindset ng Chinese long-term. They invest in business. They invest in paper assets to improve their finances. They plan for 5 years, 10 years. They spend on things that will bring exponential growth to their money. Kaya mapapansin nyo, dati ang Divisoria simple lang, pero ngayon, may high-end mall na. Both are hardworking, while Filipinos love spending, Chinese know how to make their money work for them. They simply know and apply what Robert Kiyosaki said. It's not how much you make, it's how you spend your money. The objective is not to work hard for money, but to buy more asset that will produce income. I hope ma-apply din natin ang quote na to para maging financially successful din tayong mga Pinoy. Do you want to improve your financial situation? First step is to educate yourself. We are conducting free practical money management and investment strategies in Makati and Cebu. For those located in other provinces and outside the Philippines, we are conducting webinar. 1 Million Club is here to help you. Please visit www.1millionclub.com and please subscribe if you like this video. And if you want to learn more about investments, you may also email me at roan@1millionclub.com. Thank you for watching this video.